The 12 engineers who made IBM PC were named as the Dirty Dozen. Motorola has developed an edible phosphate pill which once digested is activated by the acid in your stomach, emitting an 18-bit signal which is strong enough to communicate and unlock all your devices and is also FDA approved. Any free moving liquid in outer space will form itself into a sphere. The word emoji comes from the Japanese words e and moji, which mean picture and character. A tarantula spider can survive for more than 2 years without food. The man behind autocorrect is Dean Hachamovich. He is the inventor of autocorrect. Sneakers got their name because their rubber soles do not make noise. Silver surfer is a word refers to the people who are older than 50 and still uses internet regularly. Starbucks was founded by two teachers and a writer, all without any of them even having a business degree. Kiwi candy known as Swedish fish became the first ever company snack that was ordered into the Google office. A company named Vaxxus has developed needle-free vaccine. It is like a plastic sticker that has to be applied to the skin for 10 seconds. It is also easier to transport and can be stored at any temperature. In 2013, a British man accidentally threw away the hard drive of an old computer containing 7,500 bitcoins. Today they would be worth $341 million. The man with the world's deepest voice can make sounds humans can't hear. German researchers have developed a sustainable type of plastic which is world's first plastic made from plant oil. Google's unofficial slogan was "Don't be evil" till 2015. After that, they changed it as "Do the right thing." According to Japanese urban legends, there is a woman called Kuchisagi Onna who asks you if she is pretty or not. If you say no, she will kill you, but if you say yes, then she slits your mouth from ear to ear just like hers. The longest pregnancy among humans was of 375 days. Los Angeles resident Beulah Hunter, who in 1945 gave birth to her healthy daughter Penny Diana after a 375-day gestation period. Chocolates can kill dogs as it contains theobromine, which affects their heart and nervous system. There is a lake in Russia which is so radioactive that it can kill you within 1 hour of just standing near it. This lake was used to dump radioactive material in 1951. Bakers in Kerala have created the world's longest cake. It's over 6 kilometers long, 10 centimeters wide, and weighs 27,000 kilograms. DNA can be used to store data just like your typical hard drives. Scientists have been able to store 700 terabytes in a single gram of DNA. Walking down the mostly empty city streets, I had the feeling someone was following me. Then I got a text that said run with a link to a live stream following me. Canada has more number of educated ministers in the world. More than 93% of politicians have college degrees. If you like this video, please do share, like and subscribe to our channel. Stay foolish with me.